Greetings. Every conversation starts with greetings. So, practice these essential greetings and start using them on appropriate occasions. First, listen to the conversations between the characters, and then try to speak along with them.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Hi. Hi. What's new with you?
Hey. Hey. How's it going? What's up? Not much. Just relaxing. You? How have you been? I've been good. Thanks for asking. Welcome back. How was your trip? Great. Thanks. It's good to be back.
Long time no see. I've missed our chats. What's new?
Not much, just the usual. How about you?
It's been a while since we last met. How have you been coping?
Pretty well, thanks. And you?
Good morning.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How's your day been?
Good evening.
Good evening. Ready for the weekend?
It's a pleasure to meet you.
The pleasure is all mine.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. I hope to see you again soon.
See you later.
See you. Can't wait for our next meetup.
Take care.
Thank you. Be sure to keep in touch.
It's time for practice. Read the dialogues aloud. And try to match the speed you heard earlier.